Hello, I am here for the collective to give a message. Intuitive creativity. Intuition fuels creativity, follow its guidance. In this time, your intuition is like trying to spike. Like once you start building this up more, you will be receiving so much, including creative ideas. And once you get those downloads and those breakthroughs, it's good to follow through with them. But it's also good to just like get in that creative mode and start doing things, especially this week, things that you want to do, the creative things. Just start like doing it more and maybe figure out new things. Something creative might come to you. Something wonderful might happen. You might get a brilliant idea while you're doing that. But stay focused on the creative works and what you want to be doing. Energetic boundaries. Set clear energy boundaries to protect your intuitive power. You're receiving a lot of energy right now because attention is on you and everyone is like throwing their energy at you, whether they know they are or not. Anyone who's concerned about you, thinking about you, investing anything in you, searching for you, and like online or whatnot. Yeah, so you're taking all of that on, and you can alchemize that power, that you can alchemize their power that they're sending to you. See you in this golden light. You could do that meditation with the golden light. And I saw this from another YouTuber, and she was speaking about this, so I'm relaying the message to you because that didn't come, that I wouldn't have thought of that. I mean, even things that I don't think about, like they just come to me because I'm channeling, but like I saw her for a reason talk about this morning, specifically the golden light. Imagining yourself, I'm sorry, I can't recall her name, but imagining yourself with this golden light taking on their energy, and you're just glowing gold and yellow, and you're feeling into that power. Feel joy while you're doing this. A strong sense of joy. It's amazing I got that card. Intuitive healing. Your intuition guides you toward deep inner healing. There are some areas that need to be healed, some things that you're still holding on to, that may be helping you in certain ways still. But it's a time to heal. You can affirm that you're healing. Regardless, the divine is working with you to heal you, for you. There are healing meditations, and you can heal through Reiki. Also, connect with your higher self. This will help you be in tune with yourself, like basically what you really want, where you're coming from. It'll help guide you because your higher self, it has a lot of wisdom. You're tapping into that wisdom. And they may know like things in your subconscious that will, that can give you, sorry for the talking that I'm doing. It's like, anyway, your higher self could give you advice, or not advice, but words to guide you based on your subconscious thoughts, thinking, and traumas. Oh. Heartfelt guidance. Intuition comes from deep within. Cherish and trust its guidance. Yeah, so trust what you're receiving when you do this. Some of you may need to work on the throat chakra. Could be blocked. Bonfire. Safe haven, flame, home, sing, and dance. Start feeling that joy. Do things you like. Be calm, feel safe, and just enjoy yourself. Enjoy this time, enjoy the moment that you're in. Enjoy the now. Be content. Uninvited guest. Surprise, accident, big change, moment of decision. Some changes are happening. Some real big changes are going to come about, and some real big choices are going to come about as well. So be prepared as much as you can without knowing exactly what options, what choices that you're going to have to make and take. Maybe I can ask, Spirit, can you let us know more about these options? I feel like I should use the other deck for this. Can you let us know more about, no, not the options, but the decision making? No exit. Trapped in a situation with no exit or escape, experiences a perpetual return to the same situations, trapped in an infinite loop with no escape. Engages in a siphoning task that never ends. These are choices on things that you may be attached to. Choices that you're going to be making on choices like that you've been making over and over again. So you're going to be given the option to make a new choice or make the same choice that you've been making that's been keeping you perpetually in the cycle that you've been looped in. What else can you tell us about this surprise and big changes? Evaluation criteria: unfair assessment, rarely sees the full picture, focus on shortcomings, and misses out on potential. This is you not really viewing yourself as worthy, or really giving credit where you do good, to where you have succeeded, not celebrating enough and the good things that you have accomplished and the wonderful things that you have done. Because your focus is more on what's missing, what could have been, rather than what is now. So that brings us back to this, to be in the moment. Secret weapon, unseen by foes, ready to be unleashed, quietly, deadly, and silent strike, revealing the arsenal of the unseen. Something's going to catch you off guard, and it's going to be big. It's going to be big. Yeah. Spirit, can you tell us more about this secret weapon and what it is, what it might be or involve? Taboo, limit, crime, forbidden, love, curiosity. If any of those resonates with you, as far as this secret weapon goes, something big is happening, and it's taboo. I'm not really getting any reading off of this card. But there's going to be a lot going on. Can you see the tornado going here? Like the big dark clouds, like all the chaos in the background. All right, Spirit. What else do you want us to know? Independent. Free lead initiative. You're going to be taking the lead, and you're going to courageously go forward and do what's calling you. Do what, and you're going to be doing what, or you have been doing, what has it intuitively been calling you to do. This reading is quite something. Understanding. Understanding is the key to deep connection. When you understand, you can communicate so much better and connect with people so much better. And this allows for more compassion, more understanding, more grace. Which ultimately shines your light brighter. Because we're all connected. It's all love, light, all love and light. Blessing. Blessings are gifts from the universe. Receive and share them. You're going to be very blessed, and these blessings will be enough for you to share. So treat it well. Don't be irresponsible with it, with your blessings, and be grateful. Show gratitude. And you can be doing that now. And that helps bring them in. Compassion. Compassion is the warmth of the soul. Give it to others and yourself. you're too hard on yourself at times, and you can show yourself more compassion for sure. And others. There may be others who you're just not getting. It's you it's it's like this energy of confusion, kind of. But if you have compassion and understanding, that can help the situation and help you ultimately. Joy. Joy is the dance of the soul. Enjoy every moment. That brings us back to the bonfire. And also what I said about the card with the person glowing in gold, to feel the joy. Feel that, because you're going to experience a lot of it, and you want to help bring that energy in. You want to take the other energies that are being thrown towards you and, you know, feel the joy so you can be abundantly joyful. Whoever does not love does not know God, because God is love. Like I said, it's all love and light. I'm going to draw one more. Look to the Lord and his strength. Seek his face always. 1 Colossians 16:11. The divine is always there to lead you and guide you and help you along the way. And if you think about it, in your past, they've always been there for you. You've always made it some way, somehow. And that was God helping you out, making sure you were safe, taking care of you along the way. Hold lightly. I take the things and people that come into my life lightly, not holding too tight so that when it comes time for them to go, they may go smoothly. This does not mean I love any less, but that I am open to the changes of life. Some of you may have let someone go or are being called to let someone go. And also, this is about holding on to attachments, because those big changes are coming up and you don't want to be stuck in the same loop again. So get ready, because some taboo things might be happening. But it's all for your good, and you are being taken care of the whole way through. Thank you for watching. Bye.